Today you're going to learn about subdividing and combining figures. Figures is just another word for polygons. How many different polygons do you remember from yesterday? Each of these polygons has a different name. Pause the video and see how many you can remember. A polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle. A polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. 5 sides is a pentagon. 6 sides is a hexagon. 7 sides is a heptagon. 8 sides is an octagon. 9 sides is a nonagon. And 10 sides is a decagon. Remember, a polygon is a closed plane figure with at least 3 line segments that do not cross. The word combine means to put together. Here there are 2 triangles. If you slide them together, what new polygon would you create? Pause the video and solve this on your whiteboard. By combining the 2 triangles, you can create a quadrilateral. Notice how it now has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. When we combine polygons, we want to look at the outside, right? Because those are going to be the sides of our polygon. This line in the middle just shows where we put them together, kind of like glue. Alright, now you try again. Here there are 2 triangles and a quadrilateral. If you slide them together, what new polygon would you create? Pause the video and try and figure this one out on your whiteboard. It might be helpful to draw these shapes. By combining the 2 triangles and the quadrilateral, you can create a hexagon. Notice that it now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. That's what makes it a hexagon. The word subdivide means to divide something into parts. Just as you can combine 2 or 3 polygons, you can also take them apart. So this is actually the opposite of combining. So this is a quadrilateral. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. If you were to split it apart on the dotted line, what 2 polygons would you make? Think about this as taking a scissors and cutting along the dotted line. You're going to create 2 new polygons. Can you figure out what they would be? By subdividing the quadrilateral, you can create 2 triangles. Let's try another one. Here there is a triangle that has been split apart 2 times. What 3 polygons were created by subdividing this triangle? By subdividing the larger triangle, you can create 2 smaller triangles, here, and 1 quadrilateral. Let's do a bit more practice. This red shape, as a combined polygon, has 3 sides. So when it asks about combined polygon, we're talking about the shapes together. So this is a triangle. If I subdivide this polygon along the dotted line, we would make 2 triangles, 1 and 2. Let's look at this trickier one and see if you can solve this one. What is the combined polygon that you see here? This is an octagon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. This next part is a little trickier. Can you figure out the subdivided polygons that would be created if you cut this polygon or subdivided it along the dotted lines? Pause the video and see if you can figure this out. It would make 3 quadrilaterals. 1, 2, 3. Each of these new polygons would have 4 sides. If we look at this yellow shape, what would be the combined polygon? It's a quadrilateral because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. What would be the subdivided polygons? You would get 3 triangles. 1, 2, and 3. Each of these has 3 sides, so they become 3 triangles. Okay, let me show you what you're going to be doing for your independent work today. You will have a word bank to help you spell all the words, so don't worry about that. You're going to start with subdividing polygons, and you're going to be given a problem just like this. You'll see a shape here of a combined polygon, and you will need to decide what 2 polygons are created when this polygon is subdivided. So if you subdivide this polygon on this line, polygon 1 is a quadrilateral. And I can't really type it, or I can't really write it with this, so let me just... Okay, you're going to type it in the box. Remember, there is a word bank, so don't worry about not being able to spell it. They'll be there for you. Polygon number 2, well, that one also has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So it is also a quadrilateral. So I'm going to type that in the box as well. That's what that should look like, okay? And then let's go to the next one. You'll combine polygons as well. So you're going to be given 2 separate polygons, and you're asked what polygon is created when these 2 shapes are combined. So I want to imagine as if these have now been glued together, and I'm going to count the sides of the shape very carefully. 1, 2, this little guy, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has 7 sides, so I would type in the box heptagon. Okay, and you'll have a few more problems than I just showed you, but this is an example, and you can always look back here. There are also videos for you to watch in case you're still not sure if you understand, and there's a game to play at the end with tangrams when you've finished. Good luck!